Blood Indian Reservoir. Let's go fishing. Alright, so we are seeing just a buttload of fish down there, and they were hitting on the surface, so I'm trolling. Oh, let's turn down our copyright infringement. I'm trolling just a plastic sort of crayfish, little tiny guy, and Zai's got a spinner on there. Pink right now we're trying. Let's see what we get. Look at the fish. Alright, I got a spinner going. Got a couple weights on it because even though we're this close to shore, we're at 31.5, 31.4 feet. Zylan's got himself a little red and white Len Thompson micro spoon, and again a couple weights about 2 feet up. So we'll see what happens here. Nothing yet. We're seeing them jump all around though, so we might change over to the fly rods, put something on the surface, or even try some chronomids down deep. Okay, Trump magnet with the float. And on mine, I'm on the bottom, and I'm going with a little power egg on a floating hook. So let's see. Can you see all the fish jumping? Jump, jump, jump. I think we gotta get the flies out. Okay, so what we're doing, we just put some flies on. He's got kind of a spider-looking jobby. I've actually got a fly with just some big eyes. We just use the boat to get the line out, and now we're waiting. Gonna wait and see if anything will bite, because they are jumping everywhere like it's crazy.
Yes it is. Okay, I was just saying, I can't believe all day we didn't even get one fish. You gotta reel in, by the way. Oh, I think I lost him. No, no, unless he's swimming with me. No, oh my God. Oh man, that literally was the only bite we've had all day, and I lost it. We've been out here for like 5 hours, asked a bunch of people on shore, nobody caught nothing. I was just complaining to my son. I said, man, maybe we'll call it a day. I can't believe nothing has been biting. And then we got a fish on, and I lost it. Well, all right, Simon thought he had a weed, and it is actually a little trout. Okay, keep him on. Yeah. Here, hold this. I got it.
Look at the little guy.
Ooh.
He looks tiny. He's got a bunch of dots on him.
Under his belly.
Under
Nice.
his belly. Yeah, I know. Oh, sorry, buddy. Just little. Yeah, come here. Can you grab my phone?
Yeah.
Ah,
Lost him?
I dropped him.
Okay.
Ah.
Well, hey. High five. You know that means you have to walk the plank, but I'll let you go because you're my son and I love you. Okay, I don't know. That thing had a lot of spots on it. Do you guys know what kind of species that was? Comment below. And today's been a pretty bunk day. We are going back to the haunted house, but we're going to work our way back to the dock. We got one to the boat. He lost it, but we didn't make him walk the plank. But if you know what kind of species that was, let me know. We didn't get a real good look at it. Lots of spots. We're here to get tigers. Was that a tiger? I don't know. And again, guys, hit the subscribe button. Official Paul B, baby. Look at the fish jumping. Look at the fish jumping. I just saw one. Those are like, what is this? There's like hundreds of fish jumping around the boat right now. Right there. Oh, piss off. We literally put our rods away. What is this? We just backed up the rods. There's hundreds of fish jumping around us. Just hundreds. Screw you! What is going on? Look at all the fish jumping. This is ridiculous. I'm going to a haunted house. Screw this lake. Ah! There's one like right here. Ah! Look at all. Ah, he's leaving. Ah, he's leaving. You. Ah! Right behind the boat. Transition. Okay, just to add insult to injury, all those fish were jumping. While I'm watching him back the trailer in, I'm not watching behind me, and I hit the rocks. Let's show you this. Oh, that hurt too. Not so bad. That's not so bad. Ah, really? Okay, so had a fish on, had a fish to the boat, broke my prop, going back to a haunted house. Okay, look. We're about to go to the haunted church. My iPod won't connect to the truck, and the only station we're getting just before going to a haunted church. Listen to this. only station. If I hit seek, it'll just go all the way around back to this. That's kind of creepy. I mean, it's a beautiful song, but where we're going, it makes it creepy. I think I'm gonna play this really loud while we're in the church. Hey, what do you think, man? We're almost there. Sun is getting low. I think we got about an hour left, so we'll see you when we get there. Check out this transition. Okay, here we are. We are at the haunted church again. He wants a selfie down in the creepy crawl space. So let's go get this done.
Yeah, let's get it done and over with.
Hey, don't walk on the grass. You might make the spirits mad. We're running out of sunlight too. Because it's always the first guy in that dies.
If I'm wearing my main character sweater.
Nope. That looks like a Star Trek secondary character sweater.
No, it's not red, so we're okay.
Ooh. Okay, let's get this done.
As long as we hear birds, everything's okay. Hey, look, it's the scariest thing that happened to us.
Okay, you got your phone for light? Somebody throws that back down and leave it. Okay, let's lift this thing.
Oh, it's cold.
Ooh, they say ghosts in there. It's cold. Oh, guys, it's cold. There's like cold air coming out of this basement now. All right, come on, go right down there. Oh, there might be a light switch down there. Take a look. Okay, turn your phone on. Am I closing the lid?
No.
Come on.
No, I'm not doing that. I cannot do that. I'm terrified already.
Okay, go. Quite a bit darker down there, and it is cold. It is cold. It wasn't cold when we went down there before.
Give me a second.
This is weird. There's like a cold breeze coming up. Of course, it is hot outside. It's underground. That's what it is. Okay, go. Come on. Go see if there's a ghost down there. Hello.
Find out.
Hello, ghosty ghost. Stick your head out. Come on, show us you down there. Swallow your soul. Swallow your soul. Okay, go. Most haunted church. Most haunted place in Canada. He's looking around. Come on, just go.
No, I can't do it. I can't do it.
You were already down there.
I'm halfway down.
That's a nice cold breeze. Okay, go.
It is a very nice one. No, I can't do it. I'm sorry.
You already went down once. I'm not going to close the door, buddy. I'll put my foot in I'll sit.
Flash that
No,
way.
you got to go in there. You said you wanted to go in.
This is in.
No, you already did that.
This is in. My foot's stuck.
Go. Go right in there.
This is so cool. This is so creepy.
Okay, go. Go right in. To your right. No, you're not.
I'm not.
Get off the stairs. Okay, now snap your picture. What is that?
Shut up. Flashlight?
Yeah, give me a flashlight.
Not that bright.
Okay, but still. Okay, close the lid. Okay, here, go. Gentle. Okay. Oi. Okay. I'm closed in down here. Where are you, ghost? Okay, most haunted place in all of Alberta. This is just like a hole in the ground. You need like a hand came out of there. Okay. There's a big pit. A hand just show up. Huh. Okay. Nothing, Zai. No. I mean, maybe if we came at night, we should come here maybe at night and like we'll come down here and spend the night. Here, take your phone. Nothing touched me. Anybody hear me? It's a weird, let me see your light. There's a weird rod there I didn't see before. What is that? Be right back. Okay. Genuinely creepy. It's like a, okay, there's like a death rod down here.
That's actually scary.
Alright, whole beer bottle. Smokes. Oh man, there's a lot of cobwebs, that's about it. Oh, that scared me. The beer bottle just rolled. It gave me shivers up my butt crack. Alright, well, okay. Is anything down here? Make a noise, bang something, move something, kick a can. There's paint cans down here, kick them. Get a whole bunch of energy, whatever you need, and just boot something. Okay, maybe we're in the wrong church. I don't know. This one's... Yeah, here's your phone. Okay. Gotta come here anytime.
Yeah, maybe it's nice.
You think? Another cool transition. Ready? Watch this. Hey, buddy. Doop doop doop. Cross the road. Okay, guys. Just ending the trip. We saw that deer with the huge set of antlers. I just saw a moose down in the swamp. Hey, Mr. Moose! Hey, we're outside. All right, that's it for this adventure. One fish to the boat, we lost it. One fish on, we lost it. Maybe haunted church, don't know. Definitely creepier church, but I went down the creepy crawl space, shut the door behind us. Nothing grabbed me or molested me or, well, I'm not gonna tell you guys if it did. Maybe it's my secret, maybe we're dating. Anyway, that's it for today's adventure. Like always, like I say, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'll see you next time. Fish with Paul B, baby.